So I just got this Power DY's magnetic clip lavalier microphone for my new motovlogging that I'm about to try out now. Wow, look at how they stuffed the thing in there. It's already entangled. I'm about to test this out for my motovlogging that I just started for my new Triumph Tiger Sport 660. We're gonna test the sound and see how that goes. So stay with me. God, look at how long this thing is. Too long for my liking. I guess I'll have to tuck it in somehow in my helmet. Here goes something. Alright guys, so this is my setup for motovlogging. I got the Power DY's, the GoPro Hero 9, the GoPro Hero 9 Media Mod. The lavalier microphone just enhances the sound for the voicing. So there you have it. This comes with an extension, a long extension and adapter, short adapter from the TRRS to the TRS adapter that goes into the GoPro. TRS to the TTRS. Now, little baggy here. Since I started giving it a little bit throttle every time I start it, it has actually been responding. I didn't really give it much throttle. I guess it started just as I decided to turn the throttle. So I'm testing out this new microphone setup that I just got for my motovlogging. Let's see how this goes. So I got a text message that my license plate was ready, and I'm riding out there. To the dealership to pick it up. The weather is quite warm today. I did not intend to go on the highway, and honestly, I didn't stick to my ATGAT rule, which is all the gear all the time. This is not a review of how fast this motorcycle can go. It's just a little review of how this microphone is going to respond to the wind noise and to my voice. Now the cable that came with this mic was exceptionally long, extremely. I noticed that if my eyes is not on the dash to see the speed at which I'm running at, I don't really feel that I'm on 6 speed. You know, I feel that need to like actually go another step to like number 7. Alright, so regarding the microphone, I think I like it, though I'm not 100% satisfied with the way it picks up wind noise. I think the GoPro also kicks in with its noise cancellation or compression effect, but for a price point of $33, you get what you pay for. I also noticed a clipping noise from the vocals, distortion, and the microphone wasn't too close to my lips, but since it's a lapel microphone, it's designed to be super sensitive. Now a lot of people are going for less sensitive microphones, but I felt that wouldn't pick up the exterior noise of the exhaust pipe or the ambience, and also the wiring. If the wire shakes, it actually creates some sort of a clipping noise, which is very annoying. So securing that wire harness is very important. I'm hearing a lot of wind noise in my ears, so I know GoPro does some cancellations and some compressions of sound. Capturing sound is actually more difficult than capturing the video, And I don't have all the accessories on my GoPro right now to actually give me that wide view. I'm shooting in 1080p at 60 frames per second. And also, yes, I haven't formatted my SD card, so I've noticed that the GoPro produces an error after recording for a few minutes. The media mod mount on the GoPro does not let you see the screen. Another feature on the GoPro is you don't see what you're recording on the quick app, which defeats the purpose in a way, if you ask me. But I guess they couldn't make it stream what you're recording until after, or you only see what you will be about to record before you push the record button. So I don't know what the use is, you know, if I can't see what I'm recording, unless of course I have a mount or a GoPro mount that's gonna block my line of sight or my view through my helmet windshield, which also is not ideal. I have read a lot and done my research about the microphones, and this one seems to be the best option for me, but I really don't want one that's gonna be, you know, so sensitive where there's gonna be clipping in the audio that I'm recording. Another thing about waving riders, off topic, I noticed that, you know, I would rather riders focus on the road and ride their bikes instead of like taking their hand off the handlebars to wave at other riders while they're riding, because, you know, I mean, honestly, riding is it's a risky thing, and you want to be attentive and alert all the time when riding, and taking my hand off the handlebar to wave at other riders that I don't know, what's that whole thing? It's fun and all, like, oh, another fellow rider is passing by and you say hi, but like, I guess, I don't know, is it worth it? And if I meet 100 riders on the road, am I gonna have to wave at all of them? I guess it's not obligatory, right? But it doesn't feel right when a rider kind of sends out, like, you know, takes his hand off his handlebars and sends me a wave and I just ignore him, you know, because I guess I wouldn't like it when it happens, if somebody does that to me. Anyway, so another thing about riding this bike, you probably need a lot of protective gear, because this bike actually does get hot. Even in the cool weather, I noticed that I was feeling a lot of heat around my shin, and heat was one of my main issues in buying a bike. But I guess I chose the looks of this bike over how much heat, and I'm kind of used to heat from bikes because I have ridden other bikes that are equally hot. In fact, I started riding on two-stroke engine bikes. I started on a moped before my feet could barely touch the ground. You know, I grew up in a family that sold motorcycles, and cycling has just been a part of my life. And not having a bike and the thrill of riding almost feels like a part of me is missing. But I did take a break from riding at some point in time.
Please give this video a thumbs up if this video has been useful to you in any way, and if you enjoyed watching my content, like, subscribe for more content, because, you know, it just motivates me when I see interactions with people and comments on the channel. And thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helps you make an informed decision if you decide you want to go out there and motovlog and you intend to get some extra equipment for your GoPro setup. Ride safe, stay blessed. I'm out.